Hello children, I welcome you all to our English class of class 6. Today we are going to discuss about our unit 4. In this we have 3 readings. Reading A, an adventure. Reading B, about a naughty boy and it's a poem. Reading C, Tanaji Malusare. Let's know about them in detail. Let us now listen to the story of an adventure. This is a story about two cousins, Arun and Seema. Every year they used to visit their grandparents' village Vishnupur during summer vacation. Vishnupur was a small quiet town surrounded by green hills and some ancient ruins. They loved going there for walks and spent hours exploring the old temple in a fort. Sometimes they even pretended to be the rulers of an ancient kingdom and even played hide and seek. In this way, they passed their time at Vishnupur. One day, Seema and Arun were playing hide and seek. Arun went somewhere to hide himself, and Seema continued searching seriously for him. She searched for him at the cave, but she couldn't find him. At the cave, she found a piece of paper on which the letters CLP were written. And after seeing that, Seema was so much worried for Arun. Then Arun suddenly came there and he too read the paper and the letters he found to be ELP. Finally, they concluded that these letters must be ELP and they imagined that this word must be HELP. Someone who was in dire danger might have written this. So they thought that they must help them. They ran towards the secret passage which was connected to the Meena Bazaar. They found a person with a gag in his mouth. They freed him and he told them that he was a police officer. He was tied up there by a gang of smugglers. All of them ran until they reached Arun and Seema's grandparents' home. He thanked them and said that now he has to go back with his team and he has to catch those smugglers. Seema was pretty excited to tell this to her friends, while Arun suggested that no one would believe what happened. Meanwhile, they listened to a call from their grandmother saying that it was the lunch time. Children, isn't this a nice story? So understand the dareness that they have shown. Arun and Seema were very brave and they thought to help a person who they decided might be in danger. So children, being brave at times is really very important. You all also should follow the path of Arun and Seema. Let's know the summary of the poem The Naughty Boy. Please do read the poem given in your textbook and try to understand the summary clearly. There was a naughty boy in England. One day he rushed to Scotland to know about the people there. After going there, he was shocked to see certain things. He observed that the ground was the same as hard as it was in England. He also found the yard with the same length. The songs that were sung there were same as cheerful as in the England. The cherry was same as red as it was in England, and even the lead weighed the same weight as it was in England. In England, they meant 80 was 80. In even Scotland, he found that 80 was 80. He even observed that the door was made of wood as it was in England. So finally, he was surprised to know how things were same both in England and even in Scotland. Children, he tried to do an experiment and he was very curious to know quite a things like if he goes to a new place, he might find something new that wasn't there at his place. Please don't follow him, but try to understand and enjoy this poem. Isn't this a cute one? Yes, children. Please do read this poem and understand this summary as well. Children, let's now know about Tanaji Malusare. This is a story of a brave warrior Tanaji Malusare from the Maharashtra. Perhaps it was about him, the conqueror of Sinhagad, the lion's fort, which has moved the hearts of the people deeply. Sinhagad Fort was one of the 23 forts surrendered to the Mughals by the Marathas. One morning, Jijabai, Shivaji's mother, was looking out of the window of Pratapgarh. She saw in the distance the majestic monument Sinhagad, the lion's fort. She wanted Shivaji to win back the fort from the Mughals, and so to keep the word, Shivaji sent for Tanaji, his close chief. The lion-hearted Tanaji promised either to accomplish the Sinhagad fort or to die in the process. He set out and marched toward the fortress secretly on a cold, clear, moonless night in February 16. He had taken with him Shivaji's favorite Ghorpad, Udumu, that is a Komodo dragon, to assist in scaling the fort wall. A rope was tied to the waist of the Komodo and it scaled the hilltop, which helped the soldiers to go up the cliff. Some soldiers reached the top. The guards in the fort detected their arrival. The sentries were swiftly killed by the Marathas. But the clash of the armies alerted the enemies. Tanaji faced a serious problem. Many soldiers of his troops were still at the bottom of the fort. Even he had to challenge the enemy that greatly outnumbered his troops. He ordered his troops to attack the enemies. After some hours, the Mughal commander Uday Bhan was engaged in a fight with Tanaji. After a lengthy fight, Tanaji fell and never got up again. However, the fight continued under the leadership of Suryaji, Tanaji's brother. The soldiers who were at the bottom of the fort reached the fort and continued fighting. Finally, Mughals bit the dust. The Maratha soldiers brought the fort under their control. The news of their victory reached Shivaji. He rushed to the fort eagerly to congratulate Tanaji. But to his shock, he saw the brave Tanaji lifeless. When Shivaji learned of his friend's death, he remarked, "Gad ala par Singha gela," which meant, "We have gained the fort but lost the lion." Isn't this a great story, children? Understand how brave was Tanaji. Until his last moment that he knew that he was going to die, he fought bravely. That is the greatness of Tanaji Malusare, the great warrior from Maratha kingdom. In this unit, we have understood the importance of being brave. Isn't it, children? Arun and Seema tried to be very, very brave. And even finally they rescued the police officer. And even the naughty boy risked a bit to be brave and even tried to find out about the Scotland. And of course, the story of Tanaji Malusare is quite inspiring. Isn't it, children? Yes. Thank you all for staying with me and read and understand these lessons once again. I wish you all happy learning. Let's meet in the next class.